For those of you doing scenario 4, it's pretty much the same. You're going to install GrabCAD Print on the host computer. You'll still need admin rights on the host computer to do so. And after install, if you can't add your printer automatically, you can still do an ipconfig/all on the embedded to find your IP address. One quick note about IP addresses in scenario 4. A lot of time we see the addresses 10.0.0.1 used for the embedded PC and 10.0.0.2 used for the host PC. Might be good for your reference. Again, you can always set these addresses using the tools we showed before, and you can always check them using the ipconfig/all command. In GrabCAD Print, what you're really looking for is the IP address of the embedded PC. That's what you have to type in to connect to your printer. Either way, you're done when you can open GrabCAD Print and see your new printer on the list.